Hello everyone, my name is John from Vulgar Kitten Studios, and today we're continuing on with our WordPress tutorials, and I'm going to show you how to add a little bit of flair to your posts. Right now we can see we have the images and everything, but it's not really all that interactive, and it just kind of sits there. So I want to make this a little bit better. I want to make it pop up in a Lightbox, and there's a really versatile plugin that I like to use for WordPress, so I'm going to come over to plugins and add new, and I want to add the WP video Lightbox plugin. So I'm going to go ahead and go over there and we'll install that. And we're just going to go ahead and activate the plugin. Okay, so now the plugin is activated. We can actually see in settings now. In settings we have some options, so we can enable jQuery, which we want to leave that, and we also have a few different themes. We can change the speed of the animation. We have a few different themes, and I'm gonna go with dark rounded, and I'm just gonna go ahead and save changes, and I'll come into posts, all posts, and just use the basic WordPress security, and I'll grab my image now and edit that. I want to make it link to the media file, and I want to expand the advanced options here and give it the relationship attribute of WP video Lightbox, and just go ahead and update that, and I'll update, and let me go ahead and refresh this, and now we can see that it pops up in a pretty decent looking Lightbox. So like I said, you can actually change the themes of these and everything. I'm going to probably do that. Let me come into Video Lightbox and come into Pretty Photo, and we could use Facebook, it looks like. I've never actually seen this one, so this is interesting. Let's go ahead and refresh this and see what that looks like. Okay, that's not bad. I actually like that quite a bit. And we can also add videos in the same actual way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back into our post. I'm going to go into our post and all posts, and I'm going to come to basic WordPress security, and I'm actually going to go ahead and open up YouTube as well. So I'm going to go to youtube.com. I'll just actually come into my Creator Studio, and this is the first topic that I discuss. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this link out of here too. And I've already downloaded the thumbnail for this video, so I'm going to come over here and right down here, or probably right here, I'm going to add media, or let's see, yeah, I want to add media, and I'll upload a file, and I'll upload this thumbnail right here, and we'll insert that, and I'm going to edit this and make it align to the left, and probably just make that a little larger. There we go. And let's see what we can do. Is there an option for padding? It doesn't look like it. Alright, well that's fine. We'll just update that. And now I want to come over into text, and I can see that we have this anchor tag in here. I'm actually going to change this around a little bit. So I'm going to grab the anchor right here, and I'll copy this, and I'm just going to actually remove the anchor tag, which should actually remove that as well, so it does. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to make my own anchor tag. If I can get in here, I'll make it href is equal to, and I'll leave that blank for now, and just make sure I close this off as well. And I'm going to give it an img src equal to the href location from before, and I'm actually going to grab the link for this and put that in the href for the anchor tag. And let's see, also want to give it the relationship attribute of WP video Lightbox. And we can actually also define widths and heights as well if we wanted to in the query string, but I don't think that we're going to do that right now. Let's just see if we can get this to work. So I'm going to go ahead, well, let me just check that real quick. Yeah, update, and we'll refresh. So we have this in here. Okay, so this is all getting linked. Well, the video is working. We just need to make sure that we don't link every single thing in here. So let's adjust that right now. So where are we at? Have this. We need to close off the image tag. So we'll do that. Update. And now it's working. We can push this up or do whatever we want to with it, but right now we can see that we actually have our YouTube video embedded in our Lightbox, and we can do that with custom videos as well. But let me see, there may be a way. Let me pause the video real quick. I'm going to see if I can fix the padding on that and get it aligned to the left. So okay, so that actually turned out being pretty simple. What I did was I just come up here to the very top. So I'm grabbing the attributes out of the image for this image here, and I just grabbed the class align left WP-image-62 size full, and then I just grabbed the width and the height out of there as well. And I put those in the image tag. So I have the class align left WP image 62 size full, and then the width and the height, which you can set to whatever. And you can see this is a little pixelated, but if you get a photo or something that you want to actually make the link to the video, then this is a good way to actually manually set your size and everything. This is just a thumbnail that I grabbed off of YouTube. But that's how you create a Lightbox for both YouTube videos and as well as just regular images. And like I said, if you want to host these videos yourself, you can absolutely do that as well. So that pretty much does it for this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.